Troubleshooting guide for TV reception and antennas. Try one of the following to see whether this improves your reception. Check to see if the problem occurs on all channels or just one channel. Check all the cables are connected correctly and not loose. If you can, try another TV in the outlet and see if that is working. Restore the TV to default settings and rescan on the digital receiver. Remove all other equipment such as DVD players, pay TV boxes, surround sound systems and see if the problem still occurs. Move radios or computer equipment away from the TV and turn off nearby electrical appliances to see if the problems cease. Check your antenna has not moved or been broken. Damage in one small part can cause a loss of a single channel. Also check with your neighbours. Make sure that they aren't having the same issues and that it is just something with your house or your antenna. Generally, a booster box is required for good reception, and this is the tenant's responsibility. If you have tried all these and still your reception is no good, then contact your property manager. We hope these suggestions have been helpful in resolving your problem.